The number of confirmed whooping cough cases in the Missoula area is up again, now at 57 cases. Pertussis, it's confirmed in several Missoula schools, including the high schools, Big Sky, Hellgate, and Sentinel. The Missoula City County Health Department is still working with schools to identify close contacts and confirmed cases. And Missoula County isn't alone when it comes to those whooping cough cases. We're now learning tonight more than a half a dozen cases of whooping cough are now reported in Lewis and Clark County.